up? It's your boy Courtnificent, and today we're doing Ava Max, My Head and My Heart. Alright, it's a new song, and we're gonna play this in standard tuning. We're not even using the capo. Alright, so we're playing, the first chord is an A minor, and then we go to E minor, and then F to G. Okay, so that's A minor, E minor, F, and then G. Okay, now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. I did a detailed illustration of the chords. Just let me know if you can't find it. I will link it in the comment section below, but it's on this channel. And then for the rhythm, I'm strumming down, down, up, down, 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 up. Sorry, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so that's A minor, E minor, F, G. So to get that effect, I'm muting my strings using the side of my hand, right? All strings to play. To get that, you know, rhythmic sound. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Do share the video and like it if it helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.